This limestone staircase has been treated with a poultice. A poultice is used to lift stains from natural stone. The process amounts to applying the poultice, covering with plastic, and then allowing time for that poultice to lift those stains from that natural stone. The work process for this portion will begin with protection of adjacent areas. This is a chemical and mechanical process of cleaning. Protection is necessary so that there's no contamination of other areas. The work proceeds spot by spot. The plastic is removed, and then the poultice residue is scraped and collected. This work takes place spot by spot, working the way up and down the staircase to completely remove any of that poultice residue before the chemical and mechanical cleaning can take place. The chemical and mechanical process amounts to spraying a chemical on the surface, which will help to soften any remaining stains and also that poultice residue. Lift it to the surface, and then use a specialized machine to mechanically scrub both the tread and then by hand scrub the riser of the limestone staircase. Water is used to rinse. Chemical is applied by pump-up sprayer. And a brush with a nylon scrubbing head is used to mechanically scrub that surface. As the work proceeds, the workers are being careful to keep the area that's being treated contained. This means applying the chemical, the water, doing the work, and then collecting the waste as they go. This ensures that the liquid that's being used and obviously produced with the waste from the process doesn't get into other areas where it shouldn't be, causing any amount of cross-contamination of areas that aren't being treated or have already been treated. The process, similar to removing the poultice spots, takes place tread by tread, riser by riser. These two work side by side to clean that staircase and keep the work contained to the area that's being treated. Looking at it from the top, the side that's yet to be treated shows that it has a different color, of course staining from the previous treatments of poultice, but the result on the clean side is dramatically different. With the cleaning complete, sealing of the natural stone surface is necessary. This will protect against future stains, as well as make the staircase easier to keep clean. The process is done by applying the sealer, sponging the material across the surface, and then allowing it to dry.